In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer payments to Shopify checkout. We'll walk through this together from inside your Shopify admin, so go ahead and log into your Shopify dashboard in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard page, look for the menu on the left-hand side. At the very bottom of that menu, you'll see an option called Settings. Click on that to open all of your store settings. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different categories like General, Shipping, and so on. For this tutorial, we want to manage how customers pay you, so click on the option labeled Payments. This is where Shopify lets you control all of your payment providers and methods. On the Payments page, scroll until you see a button or link that says Add Payment Method. Go ahead and click that. A new window or panel will appear, showing different ways to add payment providers to your store. In that panel, look for a drop-down or link called More Options or More Views. Click on that to expand the full list of payment provider options. Once the extra options are visible, choose Search by Provider. This lets you search for a specific payment gateway rather than browsing through a long list. You'll see a search bar appear. In that search bar, type Payoneer Checkout. Make sure you spell it correctly so Shopify can find the correct integration. When the search results load, you should see Payoneer Checkout appear as one of the providers. Click on Payoneer Checkout to open its details, then click on it again if prompted to confirm you want to use this provider. And next, you'll see an option to install this payment method. Click on the Install button. Shopify may show you a confirmation page describing the permissions for this provider. When that happens, click Install again to confirm and complete the installation inside Shopify. Once the installation is finished, Shopify will show you some settings related to Payoneer Checkout. Look for a button or link that says Manage Account and click it. This will redirect you to the Payoneer Checkout website so you can connect or configure your Payoneer account. On the Payoneer page, click on Sign In. Enter the email and password for your existing Payoneer account, then click to sign in. If you don't yet have a Payoneer account, use the option on that page to register for a new one, then return and sign in. After you're signed in, your Payoneer checkout will be connected to Shopify and customers